What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, in this video you're going to see what INEC have done. I'm going to show you the flaws that INEC have carried out so far in this just concluded February election. Alright guys, before I go ahead, if this is the first time you've come to this channel, make sure to hit the red subscribe button so that you stay updated with what is going on. INEC provides documents to counter allegation of double nomination against Vice President Shettima. At the Presidential Election Petitions Court sitting in Abuja, Counsel for the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC), Oluwakemi Pinheiro, SAN, presented one of the Commission's staff members, John Arabs, as a witness. The witness submitted in evidence letters and forms indicating that Vice President Kashim Shettima withdrew from the 2023 senatorial race before he was nominated as President Bola Tinubu's running mate. Tinubu's counsel, Wole Olanipekun, aligned with INEC and urged the court to declare that Shettima violated no electoral law, contrary to the Allied People's Movement's claim that Shettima engaged in double nomination against provisions of the Electoral Act 2022 as amended. The panel, led by Justice Haruna Samani, fixed July 14 for parties' adoption of their final written address after the petitioner tendered a sole witness on Wednesday to testify against the nomination of Vice President Kashim Shettima by President Bola Tinubu. The final written address paves way for judgment in APM's petition. The Whistler reports that the APM in its petition alleged that Shettima was still the All Progressive Congress senatorial district candidate for Borno South when he accepted to be the running mate to Tinubu. The case was adjourned about 3 times since June 2 over parties' inability to access certified true copies of a Supreme Court judgment that touched on Tinubu's nomination of Shettima. But when the court judgment was eventually accessed by parties, Allied People's Movement, through another lawyer, G.A. Idiagoya, told the 5-man panel of the Apex Court that the verdict did not touch the substance of their case against Shettima, saying, "We are aware of the opinion that we can still proceed with our petition." At the resumed date of hearing on Wednesday, Allied People's Movement sole witness Aisha Abubakar entered the witness box and adopted her statement on oath. Under cross-examination by INEC lawyer Oluwakemi Pinheiro SAN, INEC's lawyer San Pinheiro said he was unaware when Shettima filed a notice of withdrawal from the senatorial election and when the electoral umpire was notified with relevant documents. When interrogated by the counsel for the APC, Lateef Fagbemi SAN, she was presented with the said Supreme Court judgment that had earlier quashed the double nomination case against Shettima, which was filed by the People's Democratic Party. She was asked to read several portions of the judgment in open court, and she did. From the Supreme Court decision, the PDP was berated in a unanimous decision for trying to mislead the general public and the court over Shettima's nomination as running mate to Tinubu ahead of February 25 presidential poll. She admitted that the Supreme Court document is a certified true copy. And now the issue has been brought up again by the Labour Party, and they are going to battle it. They will battle it until they will not be able to battle it. Remember, Labour Party once showed a video when Tinubu announced announced Shettima as the vice presidential candidate, whereas at that moment INEC did not receive the letter that they wrote nullifying the ticket of the Central District of Shettima. So based on that, the issue will still be decided upon again by this Apex Court. So I want you guys to stay updated with what is going on. Subscribe to this channel, turn on your bell icon, and you'll never miss any of our videos again.